Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to turn on comments on TikTok. So the first thing you want to do is open up TikTok. I have it here on my home screen, so I'm going to open it up. And once opened up, the next thing you have to do is go to your profile. Your profile is found on the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Then after opening up your profile, you go to the top right corner and tap on the button with the three lines. Then you'll see a list of options. At the bottom, you'll see an option saying Settings and Privacy. Select that. After entering Settings and Privacy, select Privacy. And in the Privacy page, what you'll find is a comment section. Tap on the Comments section. And here on the Comments page, you'll see an option that says Allow Comments From. Tap on that. So here you can control who is allowed to comment. You can turn it on for everyone like it is at right now, or you can limit it only to your friends. And this is how you turn on and off comments on TikTok. So right now I want it to be turned on for everyone, so I'm going to toggle it for everyone. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.